Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to turn this chicken into 7 budget-friendly dishes. On this episode of Budget-Friendly Meals, we have chicken tacos. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to take our wings and we're going to shred them up. We're going to remove the bones. So we just have the meat. We're going to set the bones aside because we're going to use those for another dish later. Make sure we get as much meat as we can out of this. Alright, so next step we're going to turn on our heat. Start heating up our pan. We're going to toss in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt down. Alright, now that that's melted down, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 minced garlic, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Going to get that mixed in there nice and even. We're going to add in our chicken. Make sure those flavors get absorbed into that chicken. Then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Going to get that all mixed together. Let those flavors get blended together. And then we're going to let that heat up until that moisture evaporates off, and we have a nice spicy chicken to go on our tacos. Alright, so now we got our pan heated up. We're going to start off by taking our tortilla. Going to heat it up nice and even on both sides. This will help soften it up so we can fold it up without it breaking on us. Alright, now we're going to take it out. We're going to start to fill it up with our chicken. Put some lettuce in there. Some tomato. Add in a little bit of sour cream. Sprinkle on some cheese. Give it a little fold up. And there we have our beautiful taco. And there we have our chicken tacos. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next budget-friendly meal.